Oh, it's like driving along a table, but it's kind of side hill, and there's just enough stuff to have to keep you on your toes. On a little fire road, a couple minutes, and we have approached the hillside section, which is impressive to say the least. There's an easy line over here, but we of course chose to go the hard way because we're men.
All the way.
No touch. Oh, I'm gonna give him a bump. Oh, he needs 2 bumps. He wasn't ready. That was bad communication. And maybe for the sake of saving time, I'm bypassing.
Go full left, it's harder. Go where he's standing. Like, go through his feet.
It's harder?
It's harder than this one.
Oh, okay, I see. We're gonna go the ulterior other bypass that is at least not a walking path. It's harder, he says. I was confused.
Oh my portal.
Dude, I'm super long distance crawling above my head. Oh, my portal.
It's stuck. It's hung up.
One of the tree underhang sections. We came up the side hill, down and around, and we're coming, traversing back and around, and this is a pretty cool little downhill spot.
I had to go around. I couldn't make the rock section.
Well, we got through the guts of the pink section, and versus going up the hill and then back down, which is a very big hill, the boys decided that we could fast forward over to the start. Well, it turns out I just got updated. We only skipped a handful of gates on the pink course. They said 7 or 8 gates, and we're back underway on the blue course, ready to trail out. So we only, what do we save? 5-10 minutes, that's it. Stop swearing in the background of my video. I don't have the technology or the patience to bleep that out.
Oh, you're recording?
Oh, and in the meantime, we missed the awesome winching.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna see if I can drive up this thing, and Rich is gonna position herself to winch me because I won't be able to drive up it.
You can drive it. I drove it.
Side hill?
You gotta that way the first step, walk to the right step.
Right, and then
You like belly walk it over. Don't get in a bad position.
Rich is lining himself up to winch me while I try to work this crack out. Just go ahead and start unspooling that thing, because we have a lot of ground to cover. There's my lifeline right there.
Dogger, you got one of those winches for sale?
He's fishing. He's fishing.
Drop it right over there. Okay. You can move it like that one. Drop right on the nose. Pretty cool that you just hear laughter off.
It's just a time save. Who knows if I could have made it? We'll find out another time.
You'll never know.
I think there's a way to know. Throw the fishing line out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's coming right for us. That's sheer cliff, folks. In scale feet, that's like probably 20, 30 scale feet. Rich Dog told me to carry on so that he can winch people and we will move forward to save time. So I'm gonna try to drive into this rock sec and spit that rock out.
Edit. Cut. The whole part, cut.
Oh no.
Cut that part out too.
Friends helping friends. Go around. This is the route you go when you're not really sure if you know what you're doing.
You can touch the gate, it's not a penalty.
It's not a penalty.
You're just supposed to try to go around it.
They're more of guidelines.
Right.
You dropped your poppies, bro.
Not happy about it either.
Why don't you guys go on the hard line?
I'm on the scale rig.
Oh, that's right. He's in a scale rig, he says. TRX4 with a C10 body. It's a scale rig.
Got winches. Look at my ice box, bro. See that? There might be actually beer in there.
Downhill section looks pretty cool. Just barely. I don't know if you can see that or not.
I like that your headlights are googly eyes, right?
Of Rich Dog and the boys' course is they were able to span the hard spots. So if you want to low line and fast forward, or high line and do the scale crawling that's difficult, you can do that, and then you can jump around course, easy or hard. It's very cool. I saw this and I went low line and I bypassed right around because I want to drive the bridge. This one you can rolling this way through the bridge, you can try to hard line this way if you wanted to. And even the bridge line's pretty not that easy.
What's up, buddy?
Oh, it just slowly slid off the line. Everett just walked up it after I blew the rocks out of it.
Oh, he slowed down. Slow down, folks. Oh, full diff action right there. Rolled the rock over right into the housing. Stay on the high side, Charlie. Go high side. Ride the wall. Stay tight, stay tight. Left side, there you go.
Battery! Damn it, that's gonna be a cool line too.
Don't worry, I'll get it from here.
Shining. From here 20 feet away.
Don't worry, you can crop it. You need to get more driver. Yeah. The ledge is getting you right there. Nice.
Farm trucking.
Let's see if I can Jeep life it. Some serious trailgating going on right here, where you try to always stay as close as possible to the vehicle in front, and perhaps wrap your bumper up in his wheel and go along for a free ride.
Oh, we're supposed to go that way, or we'll go around this way.
You can go around this way. Luckily, the course has many options.
Bumpers are not my
Going in for the move. Going in for the pass.
On your left.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a good one. Can't even push him with a rock in the way. Thank you. Thank you.